Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are continuing with the computer network. So we are discussing in the previously that classful addressing. So classful addressing, class A, class B, class C we are using. So class A we are having 2 to the power 24 IP address within the network. In class C 2 to the power 16 IP address in the one network, and in class C we have 2 to the power 8 IP address in the one network. So from the below diagram we are introducing this, and from class A we are reserved from 1 bit is 0, class B we are reserved 2 bit is 10, class C we are reserving 3 bit 110, class D is we are reserving 4 bit is 1110, and class C 4 bits are 1. So if we can get, so the organization X needs to give our 22 IP address. So to give our 22 means we have to give in that class A IP address, because class B has to give our 16 and class C has to give our 8. So IP address is wasted by the class B is so if we neglect that with the IP address weightage is to give our 24 minus to give our 22 means is equal to give our 22 if we common it. So 3 into to give our 22 means it's a 12 million. So 12 million address is wastage. So yeah, so to give our 22 IP address is wastage. So we are having various IP addresses wasted, but we have to say that if for organization X has to give out 22, A has to give out 22, B has to give out 22, C has to give out 22, and X has to give out 22. So 4 you need to give out 22 is equal to give out 24. So if we divided this into the 4 network, if organization Y has needs to give a 13 IP address, so then IP address is wastage to give a 13 to give a 16 because we have to give in the class B address. So to give a 16 minus to give a 13, so 7 into so 56k IP address wastage. So similarly we have to give in this IP address if divided into the 8 part, and we have to give in the to give a 13, so it solves the issue. And organization dates needs that to give our 8 to give us 7 address, so we have to give in the class C address. So class C address has to give our 8 IP address in the network. So to give our 8 minus to give our 7, so IP address wastage is 128, so we are giving the 2, so 2 part. So from here we have to get that loss of IP address wastage, and we have, if we have divided it or if we are getting the two organization, they need to solve the issue. So here we have to concept that the subnetting. So the process of divide the big network into the small network is called subnetting. So we are dividing the big network into the small network, so this is called the subnet. So advantage of the subnetting, because we have to divide it, so maintenance of the administration is simple as easy. It provide the security from the another network, so it provides the maintenance is easy, and it provides the security from the other. But the disadvantage is lots of, so subnetting complicates the communication process. Instead of the 3 steps of the communication, so we have to the 4 step. So first we have to identify the network, which network is belong, then we have to find it out the which subnet. So for in previous we have to find it the network, then the host, then the process, but here we have to find it out first the network, then find the subnet, which subnet, then we have to find it out the host per subnet, means we identify the host within the subnet, and then we have to identify the process within the host. So here in previous we have to get 3 steps, here we have to get the 4 step. So lastly, in case of single network, we have two IP address are wastage in the respective the network ID and the direct broadcast address. Of in case of subnet address, subnetting two IP address are wastage from the each subnet. So from previous we have to wastage two subnet, wastage by two subnet, but in here we have to wastage the 4 subnet, because if we divide it into 2 subnets, so the subnet bit are also wastage. So cost of the overall network is subnetting, because the subnetting requires the internal router, switch, big hub, so the cost is increases. Subnetting and the network is maintenance requires or expensive in administration, so which increase the overall cost. So cost also being increases. So overall subnetting increases the cost, increases the process, and increases also wastes the network bit. So but here is a very much advantage in the subnetting, because it provides the security maintenance is issue. So today we are discussing about the subnetting, so later we are discussing about the some problem in the subnetting. So thanks for watching. If you need this type of content, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Bye.